In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom background image to Power BI Report. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can get a polished, branded look in just a moment. Start by opening your report and navigating to the page where you want the background to appear. The first thing you need to do is click on an empty area of the report canvas. This is important because it tells Power BI that you want to format the page itself, not a specific visual. If any visual is selected, you'll only see options for that visual, so a single click on a blank spot keeps you in page formatting mode. Next, look to the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen and select the Format Page tab icon there. This tab is dedicated to settings that affect the entire page rather than individual charts or cards. If the pane is collapsed, just expand it so you can see the formatting tabs clearly. Once you're in the right place, expand the section labeled Canvas Background. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to either set a solid background color or browse for a custom image. If you simply want a clean, consistent look, choose a color that complements your theme. This is great for subtle, low-distraction backgrounds that keep your visuals front and center. If you're aiming for a more branded feel, choose the option to browse for your image and select your file. Common formats like PNG and JPEG work well. For best results, use a high-resolution image so it looks crisp across different screen sizes. Keep in mind that busy or high-contrast images can compete with your visuals, so consider designs with gentle textures, soft gradients, or generous empty space where your charts will sit. Power BI will scale your image to the page, so a landscape orientation that roughly matches your report's canvas size tends to look most natural. After you pick your color or image, you'll see the change immediately on the canvas. If the image feels too bold, try a subtler design or a version with more negative space. If a solid color is your preference, choose a tone that supports accessibility and readability, making sure text and labels remain easy to read. And there you go. That's all it takes. You've added a custom background to your Power BI report page, giving it a cleaner, more professional look while keeping your visuals clear and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating reports that look as good as they perform.